Hey there! Welcome back, your go-to place for everything AI and automation. Today, we're breaking down a common confusion. What's the difference between an AI agent and an AI assistant? They sound similar, right? But they're actually very different. And knowing the difference is key if you're building or using AI automation. A lot of people think AI agent and AI assistant mean the same thing. They don't. Let me explain it as simply as possible. An AI assistant is like a smart helper. It helps you get things done, but it usually waits for your command. Think ChatGPT, Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant. You ask it something, it responds, but it doesn't act on its own unless you tell it to. Now, an AI agent goes further. It doesn't just respond. It thinks, plans, and acts on its own to reach a goal. It can decide what to do next, use tools, trigger automations, even loop through steps until a task is complete without asking you every time. Let's simplify it. AI assistant, smart secretary, you give it orders. AI agent, smart intern, you give it a goal and it figures it out. For example, if you say, schedule a meeting for me, an assistant asks when, where, and with who. An agent looks at your calendar, emails the attendees, books the room, and sends invites, all by itself. In AI automation, this difference matters. If you want speed and scale, AI agents are the future. They can automate full workflows, integrate with tools like Make.com, Zapier, or APIs, and run tasks 24/7. Assistants? They're great for interacting with users, but they're not fully autonomous. It depends on your needs. Need help responding to users? Use an AI assistant. Need something that does the work for you, like processing data or managing systems? Go with an AI agent. So there you have it. AI agent versus AI assistant. Both are powerful, but they serve different roles in the world of AI automation. If you're building smart workflows or digital systems, knowing the difference helps you build smarter. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Are you using AI agents or assistants in your work? I'd love to hear how.